Meantime, Kapamilya stars shared memorable moments from their Canada visit for the One Magical Night concert tour. Cecile Doctor reports.
Aside from meeting adoring fans, Kapamilya stars for the One Magical Night concert tour also had the chance to see the sights of Vancouver. Love team Danielle Padilla and Catherine Bernardo took time to visit the popular Grouse Mountain and posted this picture with a grizzly bear behind them. Actress Kim Chiu posed with an umbrella while enjoying the autumn leaves in downtown Vancouver.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
During the first leg of their trip, Chiu experienced her first snowfall in Edmonton and shared this on her Instagram.
Sabi nila nagsisnow. Sabi ko, oh my gosh, kailangan ko lumabas. Nung lumabas ako, sabi ko, oh my gosh, I can't believe may snow na, tapos ang laki-laki. Nawala ako.
The Chinita Princess also took time to invite her fans to see Past Tense, her new movie with Sian Lim and comedy queen Ay de las Alas. Meantime, Kathniel fans are looking forward to the remake of the blockbuster teleserye Pangako Sa'yo. The hottest love team promises not to disappoint.
Gusto lang namin na yung mga dating fans ng Pangako Sa'yo, pag pinanood nila yung bagong Pangako Sa'yo, hindi sila madidisappoint.
Siyempre, galing po yan sa magaling na aktor na si Mr. Jericho Rosales. Kailangan po natin galingan din.
I am gonna sign this mug.
But the tables were turned when they saw the Ellen DeGeneres show. Padilla and Bernardo were starstruck to see the popular host.
Masaya. Sobrang big deal siya sa akin.
Nandun kami sa malapit sa tapos tumabi siya sa akin. Parang big deal na yan sa amin.
Cecile Doctor, ABS-CBN News, Vancouver.
And finally, the One Magical Night concert series ends in Winnipeg. Ria Alcantara tells us what's behind the sold-out shows in 4 key cities across Canada.
The One Magical Night concert 4-day Canada tour reigned over the hearts of many kababayans from Toronto, Edmonton, Vancouver, and Winnipeg. Hundreds flocked to sold-out venues to witness and enjoy the performances of their idols. The highly anticipated shows that ended in Winnipeg received nothing but glowing reviews from fans of different ages.
We're so glad that they came here in Winnipeg, and hopefully they come here in the future again. And it was so great! It was so fun!
Natutuwa ako na sila yung makita ng personal kasi kami sa TV lang namin sila napapanood.
Nakakatuwa kasi lahat ng mga Pilipino nagsama-sama para suportahan yung mga artista sa Pilipinas. Go, go, Catherine Bernardo!
Nakakaaliw sila. Maganda ang concert. Kaya welcome na welcome sila sa Winnipeg. Nakakalis na stress.
With all the hype, fans were not disappointed, especially towards the end, as the biggest and brightest Kapamilya stars got on stage.
Super saya! Nandito kasi ako! After 5 years, makikita ko na ang Katniel! Hello! We love you, Kim!
Forever fan ng Kim C. We watch your teleserye.
The star-studded show included powerful performances by John Lapus, Marcelito Pomoy, Kim Chiu, and the teen king and queen Danielle Padilla and Catherine Bernardo.
Yung mapasaya yung mga tao dito dahil siyempre bawat naman siguro mga tao dito may pamilya rin sa Pilipinas na nanginis. Andito kami para pasayahin sila. Salamat Canada sa inyong suporta.
Napaka-warm ng reception ng mga kababayan natin na nakatira dito sa Canada. Talaga naman it's always a pleasure and an honor at the same time to perform sa ating mga kababayan dito sa Canada.
Ang sarap din ng feeling na nakapagpasaya ka ng kapwa mo Pilipino. Andun nga yung pagod, puyat, and yung lamig. Kasi syempre, hindi kami sanay sa weather na ganito. Pero pag nag-show kami, nawawala lahat ng pagod namin kasi sobrang warm ng mga Pinoy dito sa Canada. Thank you so much and sana nag-enjoy kayo.
Masaya naman syempre dahil naikot din natin ang Canada. At marami din naman tayong Pilipino na napasaya dito. So, masaya.
Masarap mag-perform pag nakita mo na nag-enjoy yung mga audience mo. Tapos nag-participate sila. Gusto namin magpasalamat sa mga kapamilya namin dito sa Canada sa pag-welcome po at pag-suporta sa amin ni DJ. Thank you so much.
And that sums up the very successful and star-studded One Magical Night concert with our very own Kapamilya stars that filled each venue with its sold-out shows throughout its Canada tour. Ria Alcantara, ABS-CBN News, Winnipeg.